Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm super excited because today I'm going to share with you a very interesting, easy and cost-effective way to take care of your skin at night so that you get that beautiful bright glow on your face. So this video is unique because I'm going to share with you a complete nighttime skincare routine using just 4 simple and natural ingredients. So starting from removing your makeup to cleansing, moisturizing, toning and so on. So without wasting any time, let's check out the video. So step 1 is your makeup removal. So for this I'm going to use aloe vera gel. This works as a natural and chemical free makeup remover. Aloe vera gel is extremely soothing, calming, refreshing, hydrating and rejuvenating. Some makeup removers are so harsh that you cannot use on the delicate skin around your eyes, but aloe vera gel is safe to use. So apply a layer of aloe vera gel all over your face and also the area around your eyes, and then gently rub to get rid of all the makeup. After rubbing, wipe off with a soft facial tissue, or you can also use a slightly damp cotton pad. After using this, your skin will feel so soft and wonderful. Now moving on to the second step, that is your face cleanser. So for this I am going to use honey. Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it's good for all skin types. It cleanses your pores, dissolves all traces of impurities, excess oil without stripping your skin's natural oil. Simply massage a teaspoon of honey into a damp skin using circular movements, and then wash well with lukewarm water and pat dry. It leaves your skin extremely clean, clear and smooth. The next step comes is your toner, that is your toning. So for this I'm using the rose water spray. If you don't have a rose water spray, you can also use the normal rose water. I really love this rose water from Holistic. It's a pure rose water formulated without paraben or any sort of chemicals. So spray all over your face until it is completely wet. Let it sit for a minute so that it absorbs into your skin. This maintains the skin pH balance and improves your skin tone and clarity. So the fourth step is moisturizing. For this I am going to use vitamin E oil capsule. Pop open a vitamin E capsule and squeeze out the liquid onto your palm. Simply I'll pat the oil all over my slightly wet face and lightly massage in a circular motion. This reduces wrinkles, lines, fine lines, keeps the skin youthful, bright and glowy. Now moving on to the fifth step is your lip care. Honey is a perfect care for your lips. So just take a dollop of honey and rub it on your lips. It keeps your lips soft, supple, smooth and naturally pink. Now moving on to the sixth step is your eye care. For this I'm going to show you eye serum. So simply combine half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel with a few drops of vitamin E oil. Mix it well and lightly pat to the area around your eyes. This helps you get rid of dark circles, puffy eyes and wrinkles. Finally, if you are left with some vitamin E oil, just apply to the lashes, to your eyebrows. This prevents lashes from shedding and it also makes your lashes more thicker, longer and beautiful. So this was the complete nighttime skincare routine using just 4 ingredients. So I hope you like this easy, cost-effective way to take care of your skin at night. So do try this and share your results with me. So thanks everyone, take care and bye-bye.